this video is about acids and how we measure them, pH scale. There's a couple of different factors at play. The first principle is to talk about what makes an acid, and that is that it contains hydrogen, which when the compound's dissolved in water is released as H+ ions. pH is really a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. Now there's a couple of things that will affect the concentration of hydrogen ions that will affect essentially the pH of your acid. One is how concentrated the acid is in your water. So if you have tons of water, it's very dilute. You have very little water, it's very concentrated, that will affect the pH. But the other factor is really a factor a bit dependent on the compound itself. Some acids will ionize completely when they're added to water, so they'll release lots of H+ ions into the solution. Others won't ionize so well. So your strong acids are the classic ones you use in the lab all the time: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Then there are weaker acids, which are things like citric acid, ethanoic acid, carbonic acid, they're H2CO3. These compounds don't they don't ionize completely in water, so there's less hydrogen in the solution, therefore less strong acid. So the two factors are the kind of compound, that's the strength, strong or weak, that's the amount of ionization, and then the other is the concentration itself. If you've got less than 1 mole per litre, that'd be fairly dilute. If you've got like 5 or 6 moles per litre, that's extremely concentrated, and the pH depends on both things. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.